Step 1, remove paint. Step 2, clean it up. Step 3, mask it off. Ready for painting.
What's going on here, man?
You know, just using some white leather Angelus paint, white acrylic leather paint. Paint this midsole. Once you have applied the paint, let it dry for about a good 5 minutes and put about another 2 coats on there, maybe 3. It'll be good to go. This is the part I didn't get a chance to record. You gotta scrub the fuck out of them before you paint it, just to prep it up a little bit. All right, so done with the white. Now time for the black. Just smoothing out this flat black. You know what I'm saying? Gotta put a couple more coats and then put some matte finisher on it. So you gotta put this on there now, matte finisher. Give it that factory